my sagers, and welcome back. Those of you that are tuning in for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the notification so you get all the future videos I put out. I also do a lot of shorts, so check out my shorts. This reading is going to be for Aries. Okay, so let's get started. Ooh, Aries, putting them in their place. So somebody, go check out the Pisces reading because they were setting the record straight. But somebody is putting somebody in their place. That's too many. Sick. I want to pull again. I'm going to pull up that sick card because, yeah, I wanted to know what the sickness was. Someone has a mental sickness and they're envious of you or your person, and your person is putting them in their place. We got trash. Yeah, someone's getting rid of this person. It's a divine feminine that could be dealing with this, or your person is dealing with this and you're the divine feminine. Okay, Aries. Yeah, someone had a major growth in the summer. Aries. You could have, this is the Ace of Pentacles. You could have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in your chart, or this is who you're dealing with, and this is who you're supposed to be with. Spirit guides are trying to help you with this union, but let's see. Oh my gosh, Empress, lovers. Yeah, so this is who you are or who you're supposed to be with. Let's see. Putting them in their place. Yeah, someone is trying to delay something. Whoever this King of Pentacles is, they're trying to delay something for you, which is a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Yeah, so whoever this person is, and I said envy, they don't want to hear this. This person is unstable and they're not trying to hear. This person is mentally sick and they're envious of whoever your person is that you're supposed to be with. This could be a boss even, and you're putting this person in their place. Like, look, I don't care what you got going on, but you're not about to mess this up for me. Sick. Don't want to hear it. Envy. Yeah. Someone's trying to mess up your plans, stop your cycle. Yeah, they're trying to stop your new beginning with your Empress. Literally. That's insane. Go watch all the other readings because this may be a person that has all these people around them or all these signs in their chart, but it's like the story keeps going in a sense. Just different parts of it. Okay. Someone doesn't know that you've done the healing work, so they're coming at you with, yeah, someone from the past doesn't know that you did the healing work and that you're on a different wavelength from them now, and they're coming with the same energy. Yeah. It's a past lover. This person could be spiritual, or this person could... This could be someone at work, and a lot of stuff is going to come to the light. There's definitely a Tower moment here. Yeah. So whoever this person is that you've grown with, this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn that you've grown with over the summer, this is your wish fulfillment. And whoever this person is that's playing sick, that's jealous, and they don't want to hear that they're not getting another chance, that you're giving the chance to someone else, you're starting a new cycle with someone else. Yeah, this is your person. And that person, see, this is Libra energy, Taurus energy, so there could be a Libra involved, and they have Taurus in their chart, or they have Virgo or Capricorn in their chart, and that's your person. And this person knows that's your person. Yeah. They know you're not going to be single for much longer because you love this person. This person brings you peace. This could be someone you work with, or someone that your person works with. All this is going to come out. All of this is going to come out. Okay, let's see. Aries. Yeah, it's going to come out on social media. So somebody's about to get, whoever that's putting them in the place, this person is stuck in their South Node, and they don't want you to have this gift of love. Yeah, when this does happen, okay, for some of you, your twin flame is a Sagittarius, and you manifested them back in your life, possibly in the summertime. Yeah, this is who you're meant to be with. Be the light. Like, ignore all this other stuff, because whoever this person is, or vice versa, if you're doing this and someone's going to put you in your place, their twin is a Sagittarius. So either Aries, you're blocking a union, or someone else is blocking your union. Put it where it fits. But yeah, look deeper. Time, 1 year. Strength. Rise above. Aquarius. Capricorn. Okay, so this has been going on for a whole year. And this person is about to realize that this is not it. This is not it. Okay? So there's a Sagittarius that's going to take a deeper look and see whoever's trying to block them is in their South Node, whether it's a boss, whether it's a family member, or a crazy, estranged friend. Because this is not someone that has mental issues and, they seek help for it or whatever. This person is off their rocker, and they're purposely like that. It's not like a medical condition where you can kind of excuse it because that's just their medical condition. No, this person plays like they have a medical condition, and it's not even like just to get sympathy and all. And you or your person is going to put this person in their place. Like, they're telling this person, look, it's over. They don't want to hear this. Okay, so this is really sad. Like, you should be able to move on. This person is trapped in their North Node. all their stuff is going to get aired out on social media, and maybe they'll go sit down somewhere because they're a very mean person and they need to deal with their issues. All right, Aries, I'm going to leave it there. Love you lots as always. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification. Remember always, love is love, but peace is everything. Bye, Aries.